Hello. You alright, everyone? Well, I'm on a site at the moment. I thought I'd come off the road for a few days, do a couple of bits to the van, and then found out I lost my spanner. Yeah, I thought I'd come off the road for a couple of days and you know, relax a bit more rather than being constant hiding. It's a nice little site. Look at that, lovely little view. Yeah, so when I arrived, I spoke to a guy called Dave, lovely fella, genuine down to earth bloke, with a little Vauxhall Vivaro self build. And so I thought I'd do a van tour. And Dave agreed. And it was a nice little layout he's got in there. So I thought I'd show it to you. It's on there now. Thanks, guys. Vauxhall Vivaro, short wheelbase.
It's 4 metres 700 long, I think.
It's nice. It's very neat and tidy, more than mine is. It just shows you what you can do with a little van though, doesn't it?
Well, I'll tell you, I've got a toilet in here, cooker in here, wardrobe in here, food storage area here, clothes area, and a fixed bed.
What else do you need?
Oh,
Don't
mate,
need nothing else, do you?
If it's not in a van, I don't need it. So.
Exactly, yeah. How long you been full time, Dave?
I think about 5 months now, roughly, maybe a little bit longer.
Oh right, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all right. Quite enjoy it.
So I'm a newbie. You're
everything has a purpose, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it has to, doesn't it?
Yeah, there's a few things I'll show you. I'll show you my door things here because I've got glazed rear doors, so I made these on it. Just take them off.
Oh, nice.
And they're just made out of a bit of hardboard with some carpet.
Carpet on it. Yeah. Oh,
but
nice.
It's a better option than putting curtains up, you know.
And you just got some clips.
Yeah, these are
oh, the little blocks.
Woodworking joints.
Oh,
you know?
yeah. Nice.
So just use that. And there's an extra thing there if you want to hang a shirt up or something like that, you know.
Oh, nice, mate. Nice.
Everything. Yeah, I've made little pockets in the doors here.
Oh, look at that.
So there's like bags and there's batteries in the other one.
Everywhere's got a place.
Yeah, everywhere. I mean, even under the wheel arch, there's little dumping grounds, you know, where things get put in.
Yeah, it's a good use of space, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got cupboards up the top there.
Who's that?
Oh, look at that. Hey? Let's get up here. Hang on. Who's that?
Let's get you some lights on in here, mate.
Mine's too.
Yeah.
So there's the old bed, fixed bed though?
Yeah, it's high up. I wanted it lower because I wanted it as a settee as well, but under here there's
you've got cupboards, haven't you? So.
Yeah, but I've got my leisure battery and it was already installed by the police, so and it was awkward to move it around, so we went above that.
Yeah. Ex-police fan, so it's going to have a few peculiar things, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean it was all rigged out with shelves in it originally, but that's all been done away with now and refitted out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean I put the handrail in there. I like that. It's made of a bit of guttering, that is.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but I mean I put my phone in there at night and stuff, you know, and there's a torch in there, hat and stuff.
Nice.
It's a little bit of extra space.
So how big's your leisure battery, though?
Do you know, I don't know.
But it's enough, because you were saying earlier you don't run out.
Yeah, no, I've never run out of power yet.
And you've got no solar panel, have you? So
no.
You're doing well.
But I mean, everything's either off a battery.
Another cupboard there.
If I take this chair out, Dave, then you get a bit more room up this end, buddy.
I'll tell you, for a short wheelbase van, there's plenty of room in here for one person, isn't there?
For one person, mate, it's pretty amazing, really.
Yeah, you've got the old cook down there, look.
Yeah, and there's a flap here that I can lift up if I'm cooking. I've got a little arm to lock it in.
Nice.
And like these are made all these just to fit up basic stuff.
See, that's what I want in mine. I don't want like closed-in cupboards.
Right.
I want shelves like that are open, just to give it a bigger feel, you know. But,
yeah, I mean, just anything you use regularly, it's just, I mean, salt and pepper and coffee, tea and all that, it's just there, and there's milk creamer if you're out of milk.
But this is an awesome idea. This is.
Yeah.
I mean, I put mine under the cupboard on the floor, but
right.
it's a lot easier to do that.
No, you do that, and all you can do is hear it jiggling about, but it
Yeah.
doesn't come off, you know.
Nice.
But I mean, I've got a cool box, but mine's not a. Everybody worries about plugging them in, but mine's just. As long as you keep it filled up with water, and that's why the cloths and that are in there, just to keep it filled up. But things stay cool enough in there, even in the summer.
Yeah.
So it's never plugged in.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you.
So you can get through to the front there, Dave, can you?
You could do if you pulled it all down.
Pulled it down, but you don't bother with
No, I
it.
don't bother. But I mean, I've got a toilet in there. If I need it, it comes out onto like an extender.
Oh right.
And then.
So if you're
purely
off
tidied
grid,
it all up for you.
yeah,
Well, I mean, that's basically it there, Dave. You know.
yeah,
Because there was
brilliant, mate.
You know, if you need it, it's in there.
Yeah,
You know, I've not had to use it yet, but you know.
perfect. Plenty of space.
Well,
Yeah.
it's out of the way. It's always there. It's that kind
Yeah.
of thing. You know, the time you do need it.
So I don't often use one. I'll go to places, different places, or
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, like I say, it's every little. But I mean, I would never have fitted that in if the bed had been low. It would have been.
Of course,
difficult.
you'd have had, yeah.
So, like, I found in the van, whenever you lose something, you gain something, and vice versa.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, because the bed's
Yeah.
high, I made this day. I was worried about falling out of bed.
Oh, would you?
Believe
Yeah,
it or not, I thought to myself, if I do take a tumble in the night, it'll be, you know,
yeah.
So this thing just, if I wanted to, it just comes out, you know.
That's all right. Another 20 years, Dave, you'd be putting one of them on in the care home, so you'll be used to it.
Yeah. But the bed's useful as well, you know, when you're going about, you just throw your stuff on the top of it and it
stops
there
it
full
rolling
time,
about.
you know?
Yeah, nice. That's a right, nice, neat little tidy van.
Yeah,
Well impressed.
These cupboards here are kitchen cupboards. It's the most kind of expensive bit I bought
Yeah.
because we wanted the height so the back's all cut off. But all of this is made out of scrap.
Yeah.
So
You done it all yourself, Dave?
yeah, and Bob, who you saw the other day, he did most of the main carpentry for me. He's pretty good at that.
Right, brilliant.
Just kind of added all the extras, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, this was a little add-on because whenever the door was open, the wind used to blow the kettle out, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah. I have a little bit of that.
Yeah, so I made this little bit out of some scraps and a little place for me spoons and things, you know, and it just stops the wind from.
Yeah.
Nothing worse than having your kettle go out when you're making a cup of tea.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
And you've done your wheels out here, Dave.
yeah, they've all been done.
Nice, isn't it?
They're all rusted up, so that's been hammer-righted and they're clean and tidy now.
Nice little van, that.
Yeah, I mean, even in the cab, I won't show it's got some rubbish in there now, but behind the seats there's a fair amount of storage.
Right, yeah.
So I've got waterproofs, woolly boots and things like that, and
Yeah, it's all out of the way.
rucksack and stuff. You know, it's there kind of when the weather changes, you can use it.
Yeah.
But other than that, I've got my gas in here, Dave. That's kind of in there all tied up.
Yeah.
Excuse that bit, that scruffy bit.
Yeah, a lot of people put it there, so it's easy to get to, isn't
that
it?
should be like that. Yeah, I mean, I can get to it from either side, you know, and I get two bottles in there, so I've got one that I'm using, and there's another one that's empty, you know, I've filled it up, so I've always got one to change over.
Yeah.
So,
Nice. So what about the floor, Dave? What sort of flooring you got in there?
I shall show you, my man.
What have we got here?
This is what it is.
Oh, it's the old. It joins together with the old. Yeah.
There's one pack in here, 6 pieces, cut them to fit, cost £10 from Halfords.
God dear.
And it's like, and I made a big difference the moment I put it in.
I bet it did.
And you just interlock it all.
It's like a foam, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, and then a bit of carpet over the top, so if it gets damaged, I can just rip it out.
Yeah.
You know.
Nice.
Cheaply done, like I say, £10 for a floor is not bad, you know.
Yeah.
And once the carpet's down, it looks okay.
Got the old carpet and everything, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, everywhere's got a little hidey hole. Look, there's a little bit of room there for some junk and stuff. You know.
The old water bottle.
I've got 2 of these in here, so I'll carry a lot of water actually. There's one in the gas cupboard, that's me backup one. Bins always useful.
Yeah.
Otherwise
Something I
everything
haven't
is-
got yet. I'm just using bags.
Yeah, I know. It makes a mess of everything. That's not
Nightmare.
a couple of £1 at the pound shop, £1 at the pound shop or something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it really. That's my laundry.
Nice. Yeah, even got storage right up on the back there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Smoke alarm,
Yeah.
carbon monoxide alarm. That's the same one I've got, that one, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean everything. I mean it's like it's a little bit of space, you know. It's supposed to be a lunchbox, not a fancy one, but it's got pencils and pens and papers and things in it, and little
Nice.
bits that sort of things you don't need regularly. But yeah, and this is just got some pads and stuff in there.
Oh right, yeah.
It's what do you call it, a desk organiser or something.
Yeah.
But it's just a little bit more space. Just screwed it up underneath, and I use that to stop the stuff flying out.
Nice.
Yeah, every little inch of space you want to put something in, really, if you can.
Yeah. Yeah, it just shows you don't need a dirty great big van
No.
to do van life, do you?
For one guy, it's perfect, you know.
Yeah.
And the fixed bed is an asset, definitely.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to muck about with it. It's ready as soon as you pull up.
Yeah.
You know, you can be having a drink and chilling out within 10 minutes, you know, which I wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I built a little shelf up here, so I've got my tablet up there. So I can kind of,
Oh yeah.
I can lie in bed and watch that. I stick my headphones on if I want to.
Little luxuries, don't
Yeah,
they?
it is.
Little
Yeah,
luxuries,
yeah.
mate.
As
Little
soon as you
luxuries.
connect the internet, you think, "Wee!"
The old e-cig tank.
Yeah, got to have one of those.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Well, thanks a lot, Dave.
No, it's not.
I appreciate that.
No problems.
People love a van tour. I mean, I'll stick the old.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
It's all about using space properly, isn't it? Really.
It
Best
is
you
really.
can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a table in there if I wanted it.
Yeah.
That just pulls out. You know, the chair goes behind there when I'm travelling, when I'm driving anywhere.
I think as well with van life, people tend to spend more time outside the van than inside.
Yeah.
You know. It's part of why we do it, really.
Everything you do twice though, don't you? So you kind of, that's just the way it is, but you eventually get to something that's a nice, comfortable.
I've found everything takes 3 times as long in a van than it does in an house. You know.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this little shelf here, I mean, Bob helped build this, and he was like, "How do you want it, Dave?" And this thing took about 4 hours to do, and it's just a shelf, you know, but we did it one way, it didn't work out, did it another way, and I was like, eventually a piano hinge, and you got it done. But,
It's nice.
you know.
It gives you all that extra space.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
yeah. Yeah, if I'm doing stuff. Yeah, I mean, there's probably a few other bolt holes in here. I kind of forget where stuff is, really. You know?
I see you've got a bit of space even down the back of there, Dave, haven't you? Like a gap where you can put stuff down there.
Well, when I'm driving anywhere, my chair folds up and tucks in there.
Yeah.
So it's kind of out of the way. I think the best thing about a tip for a van really is every cupboard has to have a purpose.
Purpose, yeah.
You know, this one's like my tools, and I've got like my oil, ropes, tools. all in. So if I need a hammer or a screwdriver, I know exactly where it is. You know.
Yeah.
And like I've got one cupboard for food. So if I'm, you know, everything goes in there.
I know exactly where mine is at the moment, in boxes on the floor.
On the floor, yeah.
Until I get some covers sorted out up the top.
Well, most of my food's in boxes in the back, you know, just tins
Yeah.
and things, you know, you put them in there, stop them rattling about.
Yeah.
But, yeah, and the other tip really is these bungees. Anything that
Yeah.
can't go inside, you just
Oh, that's-
somehow or other you fit it with a bungee, you know.
Yeah, that's definitely the van dweller's dream, that, isn't it? That's an
Yeah.
essential kit,
Oh, they do everything.
definitely.
Yeah. That and a lot of battery. I've got a lot of battery torches in here, really.
Right,
You
yeah.
know, there's a little one I push on here when I need me. If I don't want to put the big light on, I just put that on at night. Just
Yeah.
make a cup of tea with.
So what are the handles there, Dave?
These.
What were them ones? Yeah.
Oh, these were cupboard handles that I
Oh,
had.
right. Yeah.
And I wanted something to. I didn't quite know how I was going to do this, and I thought it's probably a bit of paranoia because you're never going to fall out of bed, but you're worry
Yeah.
about it. And it's-
So they're just normal door
Yeah,
handles.
door
You cut the unit to shape to fit in the.
yeah,
Fit in
yeah.
there.
And I just
Brilliant.
screwed them on there, and then this is a bit of sticky back plastic, the old Blue Peter special.
Oh, the old Blue Peter. Yeah.
Yeah, so I put that on there, and I thought, you know what, it looks okay actually.
Yeah. Nice. And you got the old overhead storage and all. up
Yeah, and
there.
that's quite a big,
So,
big space actually.
yeah. Yeah,
You
use
know,
every inch. That's
people
brilliant.
think you're roughing it. I've got a radio, I've got the internet,
Well,
you know,
everything you need, isn't it?
food, drink, toilet, bed, seat.
Yeah.
You know, don't go short for much really.
No. No, that's brilliant, mate.
Yeah, okay,
Right,
buddy.
thanks then, Dave. Appreciate it, mate.
No worries,
I'm
buddy.
sure my subscribers will enjoy that.
Yeah, keep the comments clean.